Here are the laws of probability. If you flip a coin, it's equally likely to come up heads or tails. No matter how often you flip the coin, that remains true. You could flip the coin an infinite number of times, and you'd get an infinite number of heads and an infinite number of tails, because infinity is just weird that way. Now, it doesn't matter how often you flip the coin. You flip it 100 times, the 101st, still just as likely to be heads or tails. And the more often you flip, the closer the ratio will be to 1 out of 2. But there are some people who seem to be able to bend the laws of probability. It is very dangerous to play any game of chance with those people because, well, you can imagine why.
Yeah. So you have to play them face up?
Really? Can you play a card that actually works?
Yeah. Go.
I got scared.
Please,
Yeah?
just let me go. Okay. Go, Jillian.
It's terrible.
Go, Jillian.
It's terrible.
Go, Jillian.
It's terrible.
Go, Jillian.
Vice President.
That's terrible.
Seriously, that was terrible.
Skip.
Einstein famously said, God does not play dice with the universe. The question is, does God play cards with the universe?